Finger. Hut. Finger hut? As finger hat? Finger hut. It's just a small thimble that protects your finger while sewing, instead of a tiny hat your finger decided to wear. Glüh. Birne. Glühbirne? As glow pear? Glühbirne. It's just a standard light bulb that lights up your room, instead of a fruit that decided to start glowing. Stink. Tier. Stinktier? As stink animal? Stinktier. It's just a regular wild skunk that sprays a terrible odor to protect itself, instead of just any random animal that happens to stink. Schein. Werfer. Scheinwerfer? As shine thrower? Scheinwerfer. It's just a normal car headlight that cuts through the dark, instead of someone standing on the road throwing beams of light at people. Ohr. Wurm. Ohrwurm? As earworm? Ohrwurm. It's just a catchy song that gets completely stuck in your head, instead of an actual creepy crawler living inside your ear. Hopefully. Baum. Wolle. Baumwolle? As tree wool? Baumwolle. It's just soft cotton plant fiber used to make your daily clothes, instead of actual fluffy sheep wool that somehow grew on a tree branch. Zahn. Fleisch. Zahnfleisch? As tooth meat? Zahnfleisch. It's just your regular gums holding your teeth in place, instead of actual grocery meat growing inside your mouth. Esel. Brücke. Eselsbrücke? As donkey bridge? Eselsbrücke. It's just a clever mnemonic trick to help your brain remember things, instead of a tiny bridge built specifically for donkeys to cross. Drei. Käse. Hoch. Drei Käse hoch? As 3 cheeses high? Drei Käse hoch. It's just a small child who acts way bigger than they actually are, instead of a toddler literally measured in stacked wheels of cheese. Treppen. Witz. Treppenwitz? As staircase joke? Treppenwitz. It's just that perfect, witty comeback you think of right after an argument, instead of a joke told only when you are already walking down the stairs. Kabel. Salat. Kabelsalat? As cable salad? Kabelsalat. It's just a messy, tangled pile of electronic wires behind your desk, instead of a bowl of healthy vegetables made out of copper cords. Weich. Ei. Weichei? As soft egg? Weichei. It's just a slang word for a coward who is too scared to take a risk, instead of a delicate, undercooked breakfast egg.